This short video explains how to request a quote on PeplerOptics.com. This page shows you the process, and you start by logging in to your account or creating an account if you don't have one already. Just a few details will be required to create an account, or and when you've done that, you can log in as normal. Don't forget to add your address to your account. Billing and shipping address can be different. And once you've done this, you just need to find the product that you want a quotation for. In this case, we're selecting a Dynalite. And at the bottom, just above the Add to Basket, you'll see a button, Add to Quote. Click on that, and you get this little pop-up. Click on the blue button, Quote, and here you'll see the items in your basket that you want a quotation for. You can add some remarks, and when you're finished, just hit Submit Quote Request. We will receive your request for quote, and as soon as we've been able to action it, which will be within 24 hours, you'll receive your quotation by email.